Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or simply enjoy some extra financial breathing room, earning an extra $1,000 a month can make a huge difference in your life. The good news is that there are a lot of accessible opportunities available to make this happen. From leveraging your skills and hobbies to tapping into the gig economy and different online platforms, these methods offer a lot of avenues for you to explore. Hey, I'm Lorianne. I'm co-founder of Dow Janes and a money coach, and today I'm going to explain our proven 4-step strategy to adding an extra $1,000 a month into your bank account. This is just a quick overview of what we teach in the $1,000 a month, one of the bonus training programs that comes with our program, the $1 Million Year. If you want to hear about how you can access the full training and the ready-to-fill-out spreadsheets, workbooks, stick around until the end. All right, if you are ready to start increasing your income, drop me a money emoji in the comments because we're going to get started. Here is how to make an extra $1,000 a month. Number 1, cancel subscriptions. Anything you don't need or don't use, that's the first step towards making an extra $1,000 a month, because money you don't spend is money you save. So take a moment to assess all the monthly subscriptions that you currently have, including streaming services, gym memberships, online tools, any other reoccurring expense, and identify the ones that are non-essential or no longer bring you joy or value, or that you've even forgotten about. In a recent CNR survey, it found that people not only tend to way underestimate how much money they spend on monthly subscriptions, but 42% of consumers are still paying for subscriptions they've forgotten about. So watch out for those free trials because they can end up not so free. By cutting back on these unnecessary expenses, you can save a substantial amount of money each month. All right, step number 2, shift your mindset. Changing your mindset is crucial when it comes to making more money. So instead of just focusing on cutting back, it's essential to adopt a mindset that embraces new opportunities and explores different income-generating avenues. So start believing in your ability to increase your income and be open to exploring alternative ways to make money. If you've got limiting beliefs here, challenge them. Inquire where they come from and question if they're actually valid. A lot of people have what I've called a money ceiling. They just get comfortable with a certain range of income, but it's just a number and you can change it. So be confident that you are worthy of wealth, because you are. By shifting your mindset and adopting a positive outlook, you'll be more motivated and resourceful in finding opportunities to make that extra $1,000 a month. If you want even more mindset tips, we got a lot of videos on that, and I'll link to some of them down in the description. Step number 3, create an income plan. Once you've adjusted your mindset, the next step is to create a comprehensive income plan. Start by assessing your skills, talents, and interests to identify potential income streams. Consider freelancing, consulting, or offering services in your area of expertise. You can join websites like Fiverr or Upwork to advertise your services and find new clients. The great news is that in our digital, interconnected world, sometimes all you have to do is download an app, and you can explore opportunities like ride sharing via Uber or Lyft, or food delivery, or online marketplaces, or walking dogs. There are a lot of really flexible opportunities where you can increase your income in just a couple of extra hours a week. You can also go even further and consider starting a business or a side hustle. The key here is to diversify your income sources and increase your chances of reaching that $1,000 goal. Now, let me know in the comments if you would be interested in a video that focuses specifically on side hustle ideas, or if you've started your own successful side hustle business. I would love for you to tell me about it. All right, 4th final step here, take action. This is the most important step. The greatest plan in the world isn't worth anything unless you put it into action. So once you have thought about and researched the different ways you can earn more income, break them down into an actionable plan and get started on it. So if, for example, you've decided you're going to increase your income by doing some freelance writing, start by creating a portfolio, establish some online presence, and then actively start seeking out clients. Taking consistent and focused actions is the key to turning your income plan into a reality. Now, like I said, this is just a very quick, high-level overview of what we teach in depth inside of our program, the $1,000 month. If you want the full in-depth training complete with easy to fill out spreadsheets, workbooks, and many income generating ideas, then check out our free masterclass where we will give you our proven system for building wealth and financial wellness. All right, see ya.